Welcome to Easy Mathsy YouTube channel. Today we are going to see about decimals and its operation. Decimal is a way to express a number that includes both whole number and a fractional part, separated by a decimal point. See, this is the decimal number, as you know, 75.32. The 75 is a whole number and 0.32 is a fractional part, and that is a decimal point. The place value of decimal numbers are the left side of the decimal point is as usual whole number like ones, tens, hundreds, and after the decimal point in right side the place values will be tenth, hundredth, thousandth, 10,000th. See the fractional part 0.3 can be write as 3 by 10. That means 10th. This is in a 10th place, 3 by 10, and same way 0.5 can be write as 5 by 10. That means this fraction number, this is the decimal number. Both are same. This decimal number can be write as this fractional number. This fractional number can be written as this decimal numbers. And this decimal number, how to write this? Write that number as it is, and if there is only one digit in this decimal number, then it is with 1 0. 1 0, that is only 10. 1 with 1 0, that is 10. So this is the fraction part. For example, if we have 124 divided by 100, how to make it as a decimal number? 124, you write that as it is, and see how many zeros are there in a denominator. 2 zeros. So after this 2 digits, we have to put a point. For example, one more example we'll see. 348 is divided by 1000. Think that is equal to, you write that number as it is, and 3 zeros are there. So after the 3 digits, you keep a decimal point and write the 0 as the whole number. Like this fraction 7 by 5, divide that with a normal long division. So 1 5s are 5. If you minus that, 2 you will get, and for 2 it will not divisible, so we have to keep a dot decimal point and we'll take 0, and 4 5s are 20. Here this is divided now totally, so the answer is 1.4, like this. So 1.4 is the decimal decimal number for this 7 by 5. Look at that number in a number line. Think that number is this is the number line. You think this is minus infinity and this is plus infinity. This is the number line, and think here somewhere 0 is there, and that number is 1.4. So here somewhere 1 is there, here somewhere 2 is there. You think that number is 1.4. That means that 1.4 is there, means 0.4 means that 1 to 2. This thing is divided 10 times. That means in the 10th place. That means from this 1 to this unit place is divided 10 times. Means here you think this is 1.5, and here 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4, 1.5, 1.6, 1.7, 1.8, 1.9, 2. So this is how the number line is divided into 10 parts. In that This 1.4 is here. This will be a 1.4. Try this. Convert the following into decimals. 4 by 10, 5 by 4, 44 by 100, 6 by 25. Try this, children, and comment the answers. Next, we will see operations of decimals. Addition. Addition is same like normal addition only. All we need to put, we have to place the numbers digits in a same manner, like the decimal point should come align in a straight line. The decimal point should be aligned like a straight line. 9 plus 8, 17. That's 1. 18. That's 1. And 3. This is nothing but same simple rule only. Same rule. Then how we will align this? That is the matter. So here this one 5432. While writing itself, we have to leave enough space to write a digit and the decimal part also. And here 0.4, 36.4. See how I am writing. And 0.002. All we have to do is we have to align this number as the decimals are together in a same line. Then we have to add it in a same way. Now we will see subtraction. The subtraction also the same way. We have to write those numbers. The decimal points are aligned in a straight line. So all other things are same. 60. Here nothing is there means we can put 0. 5.3. So here what will happen? This is 10 and this is 9. 10 minus 3, 7. 0.9 minus 5, 4. And this will be 5 only. So 54.7 is the answer. And tell me what will be the answer for this. 7.086. 7 point, as nothing is there. How much was 0 we can put? There is no problem because there is no value for zeros after the decimal point. If there is only zeros without any number, if there is only zeros, this can be written as 7. Then 7 can be written as like this. And find out this answer and comment me. Next we will see multiplication. Next you will see multiplication. Now see 7.98. 7.98 into 3.5. Multiply that. 5 8s are 40. Balance 4. 5 9s are 45. 45 plus 4, 49. 5 7s are 35. 35 plus 4, 39. Now we have to multiply with the 3. 3 8s are 24. 3 9s are 27 plus 2, 29. 2. 3 7s are 21 plus 2, 23. And just add it. 0, 13, 19, 7, 2. So, and at this point, for multiplication, we have to count how many digits are there in a decimal part. This is 1, 1, 2, 3 after the point. So, that many places we have to leave and put a dot. 1, 2, 3. So this is what the important thing in a multiplication. After multiplying, we have to do the normal multiplying, and after that you count how many digital part is there. Digits are there in this digital part. Okay, that many digits we have to leave and you have to keep the decimal point. And try this multiplication sum. Now we will see division. 7.2 divided by 3.6. See, 7.2 is 72 by 10 divided by 36.6 means 36 by 10. That is nothing but 72 by 10 into 10 by 36, which is equal to 1 time this is 2 times, which is equal to 2. So 2 is the answer here. And even then this 88.6 divided by 10. That is equal to, we have to write 0.86. So already 1 point is there. Again, once again, if we divide this with the 10, that point, one more point you have to add with the digital part. This is how we can divide. The same way you try this sum also. And now we will see this fifth sum. 281.30. That is divided by 3. With the 3, this 2 won't go, so we'll take 28. So 9 3s are 27. Balance 1. And this 1 we will get it down. And 3 3s are 9. And remainder 2. And the pointer will go up. And we will take this 3 down. And this will be 7 3s are 21. And if we minus 2 and the 0 we will bring it down. And now 6 3s are 18. If we minus again 2, again what happens? Again we'll put 0. And again 6 3s are 18. Six threes are 18. So we'll write here 18. Again 2. Again it will be 0. Again 6. So what happens? This never ends. This means 93.76666666. It will be like 6 will not end. So at that time what we had to do, in a third digit itself, we can round off, we can correct and write. That means 93.76. This third digit we are going to write like, as this is 6, number is 6, which is more than 5, we can write like adding that one number, and we can complete this like this. So we will see rounding of the number in a brief. Changing of last digit's value to 0 according to the requirement of rounding of digits to ones, tens, hundreds, etc. For example, consider a number 478231. Rounding off to ones. First we will see rounding off to ones. If you see in this number, first number is 1. 1 is negotiable, which is lesser than 5. So we are considering that as a 0, and we are not changing the any number next to that number. The 6 will come as it is. The 6 has come as it is. We didn't change at all. Even though we put it 0, that means we negotiated this 1. We put like that only. So if it is, for example, if this number is something like 5, think this number is 5, then what we will do, should write this should be 7. One should be added with this and this number should be 7. As that is not there, we can write like that only. Next we are seeing rounding off to tens. Tens means ones place and tens place both should come as a 0. Then we have to check whether the number next to that means in a 100 place. We are putting 0 in a ones place and tens place, and we have to check when we are doing this, now we will see the rounding off to tens. When we are doing rounding off to tens place, we have to make last 2 digits also 0, and we should check the tens place whether that is below 5 or above 5. This is above 5, so we have to add one number with this next digit, that is in 100 places. So we added 4 with that, and we have made this both 0. And next rounding off to hundreds. Hundreds means in a 100 place also we are putting 0. Ones, tens, 100. In a 100 place also we are putting 0, and this number 4 became 0. Okay, so 4 is lesser than 5, so we are not changed the next digit's value. We are putting the as it is 2 only, because it is lesser than 5. So this will go on the same way. This is how you have to do rounding off to ones, tens, hundreds, or any digits, any place value. Thank you, children. If you like this video, like it, share it to your friends if you feel it is very useful, and subscribe to Easy Mathsy YouTube channel. Thank you.